Welcome back to AI Chef's Secrets. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly cooking with our top 5 recipes to try for under $10. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who loves a good deal, these recipes are perfect for you. Let's get cooking. First up, we have a vibrant vegetarian stir-fry. It's packed with seasonal veggies and tofu, making it both nutritious and delicious. Here's what you'll need. 1 block of tofu, cubed, 2 cups mixed seasonal vegetables, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 clove garlic, minced, and 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. Start by heating olive oil in a pan and browning the tofu. Remove it, then sauté garlic and ginger. Add your veggies, stir-fry until tender, and mix in the tofu with soy sauce and sesame oil. Garnish with sesame seeds and you're done. Next, a classic Italian dish, Spaghetti Aglio e Olio. Simple yet so flavorful. You'll need 200 grams of spaghetti, 4 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Cook your spaghetti, then sauté garlic in olive oil. Add chili flakes and toss in the spaghetti. A sprinkle of parsley and parmesan, and it's ready to serve. Recipe 3, chicken tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? These chicken tacos are quick and satisfying. Gather these ingredients. 2 chicken breasts shredded, 8 corn tortillas, 1 cup salsa, 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Warm your tortillas, fill them with seasoned chicken, top with salsa and cilantro, and serve with lime wedges. Delicious. For something hearty, try our lentil soup. It's comforting and easy on the wallet. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of lentils, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots diced, and 2 celery stalks diced. Sauté your veggies, add lentils and broth and let it simmer. Season to taste and enjoy a warm bowl of goodness. Finally, a versatile egg fried rice, perfect for using up leftovers. You'll need 2 cups of cooked rice, 2 eggs beaten, and 1 cup of mixed vegetables. Scramble the eggs, stir-fry the veggies, and mix in the rice. Add soy sauce and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, folks. 5 delicious recipes that won't break the bank, all under $10. Whether you're a fan of vibrant stir-fries, classic Italian pasta, or hearty soups, there's something here for everyone. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be expensive to be delicious. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can create amazing meals at home. Don't forget, at AI Chef's Secrets, we're all about combining the art of cooking with the power of technology. If you enjoyed these recipes and want to see more tech-infused culinary creations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below with your favorite budget-friendly recipe or any cooking tips you have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking with a twist of tech.